Now it's time for the people of Goa to come together, because that is the only way we can defeat the BJP.
We asked CM the question about alliance. He said we have alliance with people of Goa.
We can see that alliance when we go all across Goa. They have an alliance with unemployment. They have an alliance with corruption. They have an alliance with bad roads. Today, corruption is probably the biggest problem in Goa. You ask any ordinary person in Goa, okay? Now, supposing there's a family here, they have 2 sons. They want to build a house for their second son. They have to pay bribes at least 10 to 15 places. They will first pay bribe with the survey office, then with the Mamlatdar, then with the revenue department, then with TCP, then with the surveyor, then with the panchayat, then with the water department, then with the electricity department. So an ordinary citizen is harassed because of corruption. Okay? But when you have all these nightclubs like in Arpora, which are running without any permissions, right? Why? Because there is collusion with the government. Their own leaders, BJP's own leaders, a former minister from Manohar Parikar's cabinet, yesterday himself said that this is a Hafta Vasuli Sarkar. Now, opposition is not saying it. In fact, he is the third BJP leader in the past few months to talk about the kind of corruption that there is. So, an ordinary citizen is getting harassed, right? I can't build a house. My son doesn't have a job. I can't get an electricity connection. Is this the alliance that Pramod Sawant has with the people of Goa?
So now for Aam Aadmi,
I think he has. Actually, I think they have an alliance with all these corrupt contractors from whom they take money, who make bad quality roads. There is alliance with all those who are collecting hafta. There is alliance with all those who are doing illegal practices. That is the alliance that the BJP has.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.